Here at Fusion Implant Center, we like to share our vision with our patients. It starts with a building. This building we wanted to design to be warm, safe, a healthy environment for some patients who may or may not have anxiety.
What sets us apart at Fusion Implant Center is number one, our staff. We have a great staff that is quality trained, very personal, and we get compliments all the time on how warm and welcoming our staff is to our patients.
So our mission is to share our family here in this home that we are building with you. This home is going to house, of course, the best technology with the best doctors to rebuild jaws and mouths and teeth.
One of the advantages of having 4 surgeons in our practice is we are able to be available and on call 24/7 for our patients. And at the end of the day, we can have all the technologies and bells and whistles, but it's about treating patients the way we would want to be treated and treating our patients like family members, and that's what we do every day at Fusion Implant Center. By staying up to date with the latest technology and continuing education, we're able to provide the highest level of care to our patients to have predictable outcomes and at the end, a happy patient.
We're here for you. Our team of doctors are not only colleagues with the highest forms of training, but we're friends and we care for our patients. So our vision, our mission is driven by patient satisfaction. And we're here to change lives, one smile at a time.